Amir Khusrau, 1253 to 1325. Amir Khusrau was a poet, musician, soldier, courtier, Sufi, and historian. He was born in 1253 CE in modern-day Uttar Pradesh, India. His father, Amir Saifuddin Mahmud, was from Uzbekistan and his mother from India. When Genghis Khan invaded Uzbekistan, Amir Saifuddin Mahmud migrated to India. Khusrau was an intelligent child. He started learning and writing poetry at the age of 9. He wrote poetry for kings and princes. He also joined army for some years. In 1310, Khusrau became a disciple of Sufi saint of the Chishti order, Nizamuddin Awliya. He married and produced a son and a daughter. Khusrau died in October 1325, 6 months after the death of Nizamuddin Awliya. Khusrau's tomb is next to that of his spiritual master in the Nizamuddin Dargah in Delhi. He is accepted as the father of Qawwali and Tarana. He invented the musical instruments tabla and sitar. He knew many languages such as Persian, Arabic, Turkish, Sanskrit, Hindustani. He wrote nearly 100 works in poetry and prose. He laid the foundation for Urdu language. The first Urdu ghazal was written by Amir Khusrau. Zihale miski makun tagaful doraye nena banaye batiyan किताब हिजरा न दारम एजा न लेहो काहे लगाए छतियाँ शबान हिजरा दराज चूँ जुल्फ व रोज़े वसलत चूमरे कोता सखी पिया को जो मैं न देखूँ तो कैसे काटूँ अंधेरी रतियाँ यकायक अज दिल दो चश्मे जादू बसद फरेबम बबुर्द तस्की किसे पड़ी है जो जा सुनावे प्यारे पी को हमारी बतियाँ जो शम्मा सोजा जो जर्रा हैरान ज़ महरे आमा बगश्तम आखिर ना नींद नैना ना अंग चैना ना आप आवे न बेज पतियाँ बहक रोज़े विसाल दिलबर की दाद मारा गरीब खुसरो सपेत मन के वराए रखूं जो जाके पाऊं पिया के खतियाँ. What a beautiful ghazal. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing my channel.